Ball, whoa. Thank you, Coach. Safety reminders, if you're wearing any accessories, please have them removed. And please keep your uniforms tucked in at all times.
Ano ba yan? BE? BE. Patay tayo siya. Pag BE, magagaling. Yan ang hindi pa namin natatalo. BE at saka Raya.
Ready?
Hindi nagdikit ka
Go.
na sa Royal.
Anong
Nagdikit.
anong
Jump ball will go to the guys in shape. First layup is good.
Nagdikitan namin. Naunahan na namin na pagod na sila. Eh, di ba kulang kami sa pass.
Intercepted.
Pass kay Kaya dapat.
Take this time, get back, and foul. Foul on number 19. That is a hit and a half. It's going to be 2 free throws. Number 19.
Go, Abdul!
That's going to be your first personal, first team foul.
Sino yung isang player mo ko?
First free throw is good.
Yun. Pasa. Isa. Omar.
Ay!
Omar. Go, take Omar. Ay!
Ball say pro bowler.
Isa.
Mag-help ka, help. Nabakatupog siya ko.
Ay!
Dua.
Ay!
Loses it. Number 75 goes for a back-to-back playoff and done.
Masakit na yung tuhod niya. Nadulas.
Reminder for our players. Shoelace, please. And our basketball court line is the orange line. Orange line, please. Orange
Ay,
line.
ayaw nila. Papagod na ako sa kapatid. Diba? Ando doon
Okay.
stuck sa bahay. Takbo, takbo, takbo.
Another steal.
Kuha, Omar.
They get it back. Passes. Intercept. Scramble. Theo. Gets stripped from behind. They keep it.
Huwag ka dyan. Ali. Abdul.
There is a traveling violation. The ball.
Isa, isa. Go, take it. Take it out of that, yes. Go!
Kunin mo kasi. Hit ka
We
ni.
do have a call.
Hindi nga po siya kulang.
What is the call,
Hit ka sa
ref?
kanya. Pass pa.
What is the call, ref?
25.
25.
Foul on number 75. That is a holding. Ball will go for
Labas,
Bowler.
labas, Omar.
Bowler ball.
Yun.
Ball fake. Go bowler.
Providers, go! Isa!
Ano ba na?
Throw it.
Go, isa!
Pass on.
There comes Hernandez. Oh, pass it.
Wala.
Job for Leo.
Wala kang ulit si Abdul.
Ihulog ko yan mamaya.
Yan na, yan na, yan na.
Is that loses it? Here it comes. Aslan passes.
Sinabi
Another
sa kanila
layup.
magpasa na sila ng pasa.
Time
Pasa-pasa lang
ball.
kasi dapat.
Pro bowler.
Dribble sila ng dribble sila ng
We're back to the ball game. Pro bowlers will be on defense. Ready. Again, our court line is the orange line. Ready.
Omar, go, take it!
They keep it. Intercepted. Here it comes. Hernandez bringing out the ball. Passes. Kicks it out. Takes a three. Rebound. Goes Pro Ballers. Another steal. A lot of turnovers coming from Pro Ballers. Gets the basket.
Ano naman? Impact eh! Oh!
Tyler. That is a 3-second violation. Substitution. Substitution. Beat ball. Baseline inbound, please. Steal. Passes. Kicks it out. That's a three. That is good for three.
Takbo agad, Asia.
Goes for the shot. Gets the basket. First point for Pro Ball.
Hindi yung lalapan niya. Tabakan.
Pro Ballers in the rebound.
Uy! Awak.
Nice. Beat with the ball. Turns it over.
Ano yung lagi ka ruwag eh?
Goes for the drive. No basket. There's going to be a foul on number 7. That is a hit to the hand. It's going to be substitution, please. Substitution.
Hindi na, ano yung sapatos nito?
Going to be 2 free throws for Zach.
Ito, yung sapatos nito. 43 yan. Wala pa yung papa niya.
First free throw.
Wala. Papunta pa lang doon yun.
Takes a second.
Nasutuan niya ulong ah.
Goes for the attack.
Doon, tuwa.
Beats it. Ball is good, but that is a traveling violation.
Yun, tuwa. Yun.
Bilin, huwag kayo dyan gitna. Huwag kayo dyan. May laki yan. Naman, ikaw pa din.
Ball is stolen. Here's going to be. Goes for a layup. No. They keep it. Puts it back. That's good. Another turnover. Pulls up. That's good. Two minutes remaining. count. Foul number 93, that is a push bonus free throw. Substitution.
Naku, sakit.
Rebounding.
Go, Tetet. Go. Shoot.
Gets the basket.
Tetet.
Ball
Yun!
gets stripped.
Pasa! Regan!
Let's
Shoot!
go, Jay.
Regan!
Goes to the attack.
Ay!
Rebound.
Go, Tetet!
D. It's a scramble.
Okay. Ay!
Another
Pasa!
interception.
Regan, nasa harapan mo si ano. Pinato niya kay Regan ang layo. Hindi ka
25.
nakita yun.
Ipinasa sa amin.
Malayo. Naharapan niya
Baba natin!
Sino ba ito?
50 seconds.
Kulot-kulot.
Gets the basket.
Alis ka kabila. Sa kabila. 10 ba yan?
Okay. Yala, huli. Ano?
That is a different violation. Pro Bowlers Bowl. 30
Oh,
seconds.
Brawlers! Yala, quickly. 30 seconds. Pass. 30 seconds. Go.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Attack. Go. Shoot.
15.
Laban.
10. 7. 5. And that is a traveling violation.
Wala na.
That is the end of your first quarter.
Mabilis lang dito magla. Hindi nakita kasi si Abdul si ano. Sino ba yung push? Oo, parang. Naipasa niya kayo. Si Robin ang nakita. Hindi niya kasi siguro kanila. Baka nalito si Abdul. Hindi niya nakita yung uniform. Nakita niya ibang
Kapatid niya tayo na yun. Hindi mo matagal na maglalaro.
Kaya pinansin niya kayo. Sana wag nang buhay.
Start our second quarter. Ball will go. Pro Bowlers.
Bola sa inyo.
B on defense.
The ball.
Defense, B, defense.
Huwag ka dyan! Lapit ka!
Regan, yan. Pasok, Regan! Dali! Shoot!
Ay!
Up angle.
Yo, Pro Bowlers! Ayun, dito na lang kasama. Defense. Ay, nakapasok. Ayun! yan. Go, 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 shoot! Yun!
Wala!
Ball. Izat! Nag-3. Wala. Oh, pro ballers. Yun, tuwa!
Ay! Kanina pinasa.
Ball stays.
Same, same. Bakit sa kanila to? Ay!
Gets the basket.
Wait, bakit naging 20 yung score nila? Kailan ba? 20 yung score nila?
Rebound!
18 ba yun?
There is a foul.
Akala ko 11.
Foul number 25. That is a man. Substitution.
Alam mo,
For
Ten?
25, that's going to be your first personal, first team.
Dami.
Ah,
Sayang, lumabas pa.
Last free throw.
Box out. Hindi.
Gets another one.
Screen!
Intercepted. Kicks it out. That is a 2. Nope. And there is a foul. It'll be a foul on number 13. That is a push. Ball stays. Number 13, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. 6 minutes remaining. Holds up. That's going to be pro ballers ball. Pro ballers.
Ay!
That's going to be another steal, but there is a foul on number 19. That is a push. Substitution. Number 19, that's going to be your second personal, second team foul.
Ay!
Wala. The pass ball.
Grabe na.
And that's going to be a traveling violation.
Screen!
Okay.
Screen! Ay!
It's
Layoff!
okay. Wag ka dyan.
Get ready for that basketball will go be basketball.
Isat!
5 minutes. And there is a foul on number 0. Number 0, that's going to be your first personal, second team foul. For Waller, 4 minutes.
Hindi si Mateo marunong.
Ali, ilip ka kay. Paano ka makakuha ng bulan yan?
Hindi siya pero mag-ingo. Hindi siya marunong pa.
Tayo ka lang dyan.
Ay!
Oh,
Doon siya
kapit
na!
pa!
Substitution, please.
Ay, di ko punta sa yung bulan. Kung hindi ka lalapit sa kanila.
Okay.
Omar.
Good cut, lays it, and makes it.
Like si Omar, hindi marunong imbong. Pero magpasa ng Abdul, shoot!
Jumper,
Ay! Yun.
rebound save.
Labas ka, labas ka, labas ka. Lapit ka, lapit ka!
Ay!
Pro ballers ball.
Sige, ito na, lapit ko na. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 Pro Ballers!
Oh, triple.
Okay. Ay, ang lakas. Foul.
There is a call. It's going to be foul number
49.
49. It's going to be 2 free throws. 49, that's your first personal, 13 foul. First one.
Atiu.
Take time. Go, take it.
There's a foul
Ganun
number
pa rin.
13, that is a holding foul. Number 13,
Bakit nung una,
that's
ganun pa
going
rin
to be your second personal, 13 foul.
Go, take.
Two-pointer.
Uy!
Nalito na sa mga player nila. Head screen!
And that is a 3-second violation.
Pa!
Putting control the pass.
Go! Shoot! Omar!
2-on-1. With the fake and the shot. Good.
Siya lagi! Isa dito
That's
ko.
going to be a
Wheeler na
serious
siya.
violation.
Bakit?
The basketball.
Ayun ko, hindi ko rin narinig. Kerry? Kerry. Hindi ka kasi
It's the basket.
Minum ka muna. High blood.
1 minute.
Minum ka muna ng gamot. Oh. Abdul, shoot!
Jumper.
Shoot! Shoot!
Ito, ma!
Traveling violation.
Kailangan ni
BE basketball.
para bumalik. Harap, harap, harap!
Oy. 40 seconds.
Help, help, help!
30.
Sukubi ka rumah na rin, sukubi ka rumah na rin. Nice!
20 seconds.
Omar! Goal! Ganun sila kasi.
That's going to be traveling
Labas, labas,
violation.
labas!
10 seconds.
Quickly!
Mas!
5,
Throw!
2,
Shoot!
and that is your first half.
Yung ano eh, pwede na nila 3 points yun eh. No? Malay mo, masakto.
Hindi, at saka malay mo mapaw.
Pagising mo, tapos na, talo ka na.
Lipat na ako ng giwang court. Doon na tayo. Palit na ba? Oo, palit na. Second quarter na yun eh. Di ba second quarter na? Tapos na yun. Tapos na yung second quarter na yun eh. Second quarter na yun.
Punta ko muna siya.
Asan ba?
Lima na lang. Lima na lang.
Kaya nga.
Hindi, 28. 28 ba? Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makita yung 8 ng Manila. Wala.
Dati nga hindi naglaro sa U14 yung kulot na matangkad. Sa U16 siya maglalaro. Yung dating unang nakalaban nila yun.
Yan?
Oh, mas grabe ang score nun. Tanong mo ilan? 66.
66?
Dumating si Zach, nagawa niyang kahit pa paano 16. Pero 66 yung kalaban. Diyan yan naglalaro dati. Yun yung nakaputing bag na negro.
Oo.
Di yan.
Yan, ang tangkad na.
Oo.
Di ba sila yung mga matatangkad?
May isang tanga eh. Ito, kanina. Pabigay ng bola.
Hindi yan ipapasok.
Alright, Pro Bowlers on defense. We're now taking go. Go.
Pro bowlers ba bola sa kanila?
Sa kanila.
Travel na.
Travel na, hindi pa din.
Oo, travel yun ah. Go, 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 shoot, shoot!
Good for the layup. Get the attention.
Go, target! Isat!
Pro Bowlers again. No. Back to the
Huli.
Take the shot, get the basket, run the foul. Basket count, foul number 77, that is a push for free throw. Number 77, that's the first person on first team foul. Layup is good.
Bakit di nag-rebound?
That could be another steal.
Go, take it!
For 75, Hernandez. That is a traveling violation. Pro Bowlers. Pro Bowlers ball.
Kanina pa lang yung
Hindi naman nila pinatawag. Oh, shoot!
Jumper. Here comes again Hernandez. Passes. That's going to be traveling violation. B. Oh, sorry. That's going to be Pro Bowlers ball. Pro Bowlers.
Takbo, attack! Abdul! Out.
Ball stays. Pro Bowlers. Pro Bowlers ball.
Go, shoot! Footballer.
Jumper.
Isat! Omar!
Yes, pro bowlers.
Going to be out of bounds. Pro Bowlers ball.
Go!
Shoot! Teo! Teo, rebound! Bato kay Teo!
Goes for the drive, lays it up. Down short.
Out. Pro bowler.
Substitution.
Sak, pasok.
Go, kuya!
Help, help. Izat, go. Pound.
That
75.
is a foul. It'll be foul on number 75. That is a push. Ball stand. Pro baller number 75. That's going to be your second personal, first team foul.
Labas,
Sak,
labas.
sak, sak.
Shoot! Labas!
Sak, shoot.
Yeah,
Yun.
the basket plus the foul. Basket count. Foul on number 75. That is the into the hat. Going to be voted free throw. Substitution.
Labas na yung mga...
Number 25, that's going to be your second personal, second team foul.
Shoot, kuya!
Teo, exchange kayo ni B. Okay, backs out. Yun. Oh,
Again,
ball,
the
ball,
rebound
ball, ball.
Defense!
That's 2 points.
Takbo agad. Hindi na babayaan niya na yung likod eh. Head, screen, diretso. Abdul, shoot.
Shoot!
2-pointer. 4 minutes remaining.
Hindi kasi sila marunong magpasa-pasa lang eh.
Kaya nga. Screen!
Ay!
Intercepted.
Defense, kuya!
Defense.
Gives it over. Shot is short. It's a scramble ball. Will go pro baller's ball. Pro baller.
Labas, labas, go!
Move.
Go, diretso, kuya!
Screen. Tulungan nyo. Yun.
3 minutes.
Shoot.
Take a 3. Oh. Rebound.
Yun!
Pass it.
Go, take it, Izat. Oh,
Oh, good pass.
Dapat foul na lang nila.
Baseline jumper. 49. And that is
Go, labas, labas!
run.
Go, kuya, go!
Let's call red foul number 30. That is a push. Can be table. Number 30. That's going to be your first personal 13 foul.
Go, Teo, go! Ano ba pangalan? Teo, Teo. Kasi last time, Rogan naman ngayon nasa likod.
Ah, Rogan siya.
Last week kasi, Teo yung ano niya, uniform.
Side ball, please. PE basketball. Under 2 minutes.
Abdul.
Defense! Defense, defense, wala! Yes. Go, go, go!
Bato. Yun. Shoot.
Shoot!
Stop. And count for 2.
Izat. Go, take the ball! Traveling!
Yes,
Yes! 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 Go! 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 Sak! Yun! Go!
And there is a 5. Going to be foul on
30.
number 30. That is a blocking ball save. Number 30. That's going to be your second personal warning for penalty.
Penalty daw. Ah, hindi ba? Warning pa lang.
So you control the pass. B basketball. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Go! Defense! Kuya, defense! Wala! Yes!
18.
Go! Go! Go!
50. Traveling violation. 10 seconds remaining. B
Kasi
basketball.
ba, ano yun?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero na...
8.
Nasa likod nung ano.
5.
Wala!
2. And that is your third point.
Third na to? Ay, pang fourth na.
Pang fourth na.
Good game naman. Hindi ganun palagi.
Okay lang, konti lang yung ano natin. Pero dapat yung sa kanina, sabi niya, penalty. Dapat penalty.
Hindi, warning isa. 30. Kasi panglan yan.
So the score 20-36. Para sa lane. Sa rebound.
Diretso. Yan, nadadouble.
Nado-double and
Yan, nadouble.
no, it's problem. Sa atin ba bola?
Kanila.
Bakit? Hindi nila na-shoot out.
Hindi, nag-ano si, ano, di ba? Double pa yun. May error kanina.
Okay, quarter final quarter.
Go, take it!
Go, go, go! Double team mo na.
And that is a traveling violation.
Labas, labas! Go! Diretso na, kuya! Go! Defense! Defense!
Oh, sayang. Nakawa naman sana. Traveling.
Traveling! Labas!
Traveling
Labas!
violation. Pro
Labas!
volleyball. Pro bowler.
Go, diretso! Sundot, kuya!
Traveling.
Go, go!
no more ball will go Pro Bowlers. Pro Bowlers ball.
Yalan, yalan, labas, labas. Kaya, look on the one, on the... Nakatingin siya ka.
Foul number 13, like the hit and a half. Number 13, that's going to be your third personal foul. Substitution. Second team foul, or second personal foul, second team foul.
Wala. Yes. Rebound! Ayan, tatamad nila mo dito. Ayan. Yun, rebound. Go. Izat, go. Yun. Pass. Yun, Teo, go! Shoot!
And there is a foul. It's going to be foul on number
29.
29. Foul number 29, that is a hit to the hand, and you do free throws. 29 is the first person on first team foul. First free throw.
Masyadong mataas. Box out. Yun.
Here's the second.
Isa. Yun. Go! Go! Foul! Yes!
Gets the basket plus the foul. The goal
Isa,
ref.
don't let the ball go there. Just stop here. Take it.
What's the goal ref? Basket down, foul on number 0. It's going to be bonus free throws for number 11.
Hindi kasi last week sabi niya, sinundot niya, tinawagan siya ng kaya ayaw niya ng tinawagan siya ng holding.
Hindi. Baka nakita mo. Go, take it, Teo! Teo,
Hit.
go! Go,
Driving
foul!
in, there's going to be another contact. It's going to be a foul on number 25.
Is Omar, rebound,
Free throws for 25. That's going to be your third personal foul, 13.
Sayang, Hogan. Hogan pa yata ang pangalan. Rebound, rebound, kuya.
Go! Go! Shoot! Ay!
Goes for a putback. Here goes the
Kuya, sundot! Go!
that's your
Traveling!
traveling
Go!
violation. Ball will go Pro Bowlers. Pro Bowlers ball.
Screen! Screen!
Go, go, go!
Ay! Ano ba yan?
Oh, pro bowlers! Pro bowlers! Yan na!
Ball will go Pro Bowlers.
Labas, go, go!
Shoot! Yeah! Go, take it! Go! Traveling!
And there is a foul. That's going to be a foul on number 19. That is a holding number 19. That's going to be your third personal,
Okay
second
lang,
team foul, ball
dire-diretso na.
safety.
Omar, go take the ball! Take it!
4 minutes remaining.
Wala, yes! Go, kuya!
Help, help, help!
Back up!
Back up! Isa, go! Take it! Shoot! Go!
Go!
Oh, man, naka...
Defense! Defense!
Matthews.
Sundot! Kuya! Wala! Wala!
Kicks it out. 63.
Wala! Yes! Go!
Ball inside.
Wala! Go!
3 minutes remaining.
Go!
Pass! Pass!
sa palikod. Huwag sa likod, sa harapan. Huwag kang mark 3 seconds, Omar, ah. Go, go, go.
Go! Go!
Shoot! Omar! Omar, the bomb!
Omar, shoot!
Ball gets blocked.
Go, take it!
Go!
Take it, take it!
Go!
And he misses.
Parang tumutulong siya. Omar! Pass, Omar! Pass!
Dito, kahit dapat
Dapat
hinagis
hindi
niya
nila
na.
mabato. Hindi nila mabato.
And that is an 8-second violation.
Okay.
Substitution.
Bakit na 3 seconds?
B basketball. Ready.
Hindi ko maintindihan ang 3 seconds violation.
Labas na.
Last 2 minutes.
Sundot.
Swings it.
Yun.
Go,
The ball
Stan,
to the
go!
rebound. The ball into the board.
Pero magaling yung Tyler mag-ano eh. Kumuha ng bola.
Omar,
Omar,
shoot!
shoot!
Go, take it!
Go! Go, Abdul!
Run!
Diretso mo na! Diretso mo!
The baller
Go!
shot. That is a dribbling violation.
Yan na, Abdul, go,
Pro
take
baller's ball. Pro
Isa,
ball.
Omar! Omar! Ay, gustuhan ko hindi na ito kaagad. Wala pang tao. Ang mga to, sinabi ng promoter. Nandito muna ka.
Wala!
Ay, gakuti.
Go, Tyler! Go!
Omar! Ay!
50 seconds remaining.
Wala sana eh.
Goes for the attack.
Wala! Yes!
All will go pro ballers. 30
Go,
seconds.
go! Abdul, oh! Dito si Abdul sa likod na eh.
20. 15 seconds. 10. 5. And